When the leaf falls, no sound, no weight. The air remembers what time can't take. Soft as whispers, the silence speaks. Birds, oh, echoes of the wind. They call, carrying the stories, the rise, the fall. A melody of nothing, yet it says it all. And a stretch long where the sunlight fades. The earth keeps secrets in hidden glades. Every breath feels like a borrowed gift. Oh, echoes of the wind. They call. Oh, carrying the stories, the rise, the fall. A melody of nothing, yet it says it all. Shadows stretch long where the sunlight fades. The earth keeps secrets in hidden glades. Every breath feels like a borrowed gift. Oh, echoes of the wind. They call. Oh, carrying the stories, the rise, the fall. Oh, a melody of nothing, yet it says it all. If the sky could cry, would it weep in streams? If the stars could sing, would they sing in dreams? What the wind has seen, only it redeems. Oh, echoes of the wind. They call. Oh, carrying the stories, the rise, the fall. Oh, a melody of nothing, yet it says it all. Only it redeems. Oh, echoes of the wind. They call. Oh, carrying the stories, the rise, the fall. A melody of nothing, yet it says it all.